I'm going to take a walk through down the main drag, but I'm going to switch you over to time lapse so you get more of a view. So that was just a taste of what's here at Skooliepaloza. It goes on and on and on, and I have no idea how many rigs are here at this point. More showing up all the time, and we are spread out over a lot bigger area, so it's not as crammed together as it has been in the past. On the other hand, all the spots are filling up over here, and I'm gonna head over to my rig, which is right there. It's afternoon. I've been doing tours a lot, so I need something to drink. I'll get an idea of how spread out this is. I'm more or less a little bit off center. See, we're spread way out, way far. I counted 140 buses here. This is the first Tuesday, or the Tuesday, and I couldn't see what's behind that tree from here. I was using binoculars, so if there are little buses behind big buses, I didn't see them. But 140 isn't bad here, and 141. That one just showed up. No, I counted that one, 140. But there you go. That's right here. This is main camp, and last year this was packed solid, and it's getting there. Music camp is over there, and introvert camp is over that way this year. So we're spread out, but it's a good turnout.